Hi everybody, this is Kathy from katzelcreate and welcome back to our channel. So today I am coming along. Tree from Craft On texted me a few weeks ago and she saw these flowers, those We Are Memory flowers, at Tuesday morning for a really good price, and she asked me if I wanted one. And I received I saw my text like half an hour over 45 minutes later, and I was like, oh my goodness, yes. But I text her and I'm like, oh my goodness, I'm sure you're already gone, but I would have loved it. And she's like, no, I'm still at the store. And I was like, oh my goodness. So she had them in her cart. I guess she was waiting for my response, or she was just gonna wait it off and see, because she was still shopping. And she was like, okay. So she finally sent it to me, and she said she actually sent it in the box, and she actually wrapped it, and it concealed everything that was inside, which was just this, I was assuming anyways. So she said, you're gonna hear some rattling sound. It's normal. It's just, it's, because of the flower. So I opened it, so excited, and I heard the rattling, and I was like, huh. I'm like, okay, well, maybe it's just, sometimes the flowers are loose. And I opened it, and then I went like, oh wait, I went like this, and I was like, oh, she sent me the wrong one, or she filled it with goodies tree. So I was like, oh my gosh, she did not do this, or she sent me the wrong box. She totally sent me the wrong box. And I text her right away, and I'm like, you either sent me the wrong box or you did not just do this. She's like, no, it's not the wrong box. It is, yeah. So she filled it up with goodies. Oh, look at you guys. How sweet of her. She didn't put a note in there that I know of, so I had not actually seen it. I was like, I closed it right away because I wasn't sure. Oh my goodness, there's a flower. Oh, so there's a flower in here made for you. So I don't know how I am gonna end up filling this if she already filled it out for me. So anyways, so let's go ahead and see. She sent me some cute trim. Oh my goodness, I think this is, I was gonna say, is this the one from BB Craft? I'm not too sure. And then she sent me this. So awesome. Can always use some trim. She sent me these cute little flowers. And then she sent me some over here. So she didn't overfill it, which is good because I could still fill it up. She sent me a Christmas washi. Yay! Okay, and then she sent me these charms right here. Aren't these cute? Butterflies, thank you. And then she sent me some of these. And these are the ones from Baby Craft. Aren't these adorable, you guys? Oh my goodness, these are so cute. They look so way different in picture and in video, but they're really, really cute. Thank you. And then, did I open this one yet? She sent me, are these buttons? Oh no, these are like for charms, and on a Mickey little thing. This is cute. Look at. Okay, so I went through this. Okay, through this. Let me see. I'm probably going to put this down here somewhere. And then she sent me some trim. I don't know if she got this at Baby Craft. Oh my goodness. And then she sent me some buttons. These are cute buttons. I like these colors. Beautiful colors. And then she sent me these flowers. These are the ones on the bottom. Aren't these cute? And then she sent me this right here. That was where the flowers were at here. And then she filled it up right here with a whole bunch of ephemera. And these are part of the fairy. I think this is part of the fairy from Bird's Eye or something like that. These are so cute, you guys. Look at, OMG, look at how cute. Oh my goodness. trying to use. So darn cute. Thank you, tree. These are so cute. Put this in here, this in here. And then I'm gonna move it here. And then she gifted me some trim. Cute trim. And then she put more of the ephemera here. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put them all in the same one. And I think what happened, some of it got stuck because of the rattling and the moving. So here's some butterflies. Let me see. And then I'll put this in here. So this is gonna help me use everything up faster. And then she's, oh, thank you, tree. Oh, this is so cute. Okay, so somehow I missed seeing this one. And I think what she did is she did a glossy accent and this did some shimmery up here. I think that's what you did. How did I miss this one? Oh my goodness, I'm bad. Look at this one. Look at this one. It has little a shaker in the middle, on the inside with stars, and this is so cute. I love it. And this one's like a little keychain, which I don't know where I'm gonna put it at, but I will put it somewhere. So sorry you guys, and my voice is so low. And she put some die cuts in here. And she's always so thoughtful, always sends me the colors I like. Oh my goodness. Look at this one. Oh my goodness. And then this from the carousel. Some of them are from carousel, I think, and some of them are from Flourish, I want to say. So thank you, tree. You did not have to fill it up. I was gonna fill it up, but thank you so much. I am gonna have so much fun playing with all these things. OMG. Thank you, tree. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna have so much fun. I'm gonna put this over here. I'm gonna have so much fun filling it out now for some of the stuff. And isn't that cute? It just closes and opens. Closes and opens. Yay! I'm gonna have fun. Alrighty. Thank you everybody for taking the time to watch. And sorry for my low voice. Again, we'll see you guys on the next video. Bye for now.